Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn top 5 impressive vocabulary which you can use instead of the simple regular vocabulary, okay? So let's get into the video, but before proceeding further, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. The first one on our list is the word magnificent. Magnificent means superb. If you want to say that a person is doing a superb job, you can say he is doing a magnificent job, okay? The second one is enormous. Enormous means nameless. You don't know who has written a particular article or a blog. You say that this article belongs to an enormous person, means a person which you do not know, which has no name, okay? So the enormous identity means you don't completely know that person, the name of the person or the identity of a person. One more example about it is this blog is written by an enormous person. Enormous means you don't know who has written it. The next one is envious. Envious means jealous. Some people are jealous about someone, right? So you say that Seema is jealous about me. So instead of jealous, you say the word envious. Seema is envious about me. Or Seema is envious about Rita. Let's proceed further. Before proceeding further, make sure you pause the video and frame the sentences in the comment section below. The next on our list is the word innovative. Innovative means very creative. You must have seen some people very creative in their ideas and art. So you can name them or compliment them as you are very innovative. You come up with new things, new ideas. So you are very innovative. I hope you all have written the sentences in the comment section. The last word which we are going to learn today is the word keen. Keen means very eager. Especially small children or toddlers are very keen in knowing things. They are very eager to know new things. Okay? So when you use the word eager, instead of eager, you have to use the word keen. For example, John is very keen to know how the gravity works. Okay? So how the gravity and all works, John is very keen to know. Very interested, very eager to know. So we'll sum up the session here. I hope you like the video. Press a like and a subscribe button before you go. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.